Today we're making the most iconic West African dish, Nigerian Jollof Rice. Smoky, spicy, and packed with flavor. Let's go. Start by blending 4 tomatoes, 2 red bell peppers, 1 onion, and 1 Scotch bonnet. This is your flavor bomb right here. Next, heat up some vegetable oil, add sliced onions, and let them sauté until golden. Add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and fry it for about 5 to 7 minutes. This brings out that deep umami flavor. Now pour in your blended mix. Cook it down for 10 to 15 minutes until the oil starts to separate. That's when you know it's ready. Season with bouillon cubes, thyme, curry powder, and a pinch of salt. You can also add bay leaves for extra aroma. Now pour in your washed long grain rice, parboiled is best. Stir it well so it soaks up all that goodness. Add your chicken stock or water, just enough to cover the rice. Cover the pot with foil and a lid. Steam on low heat for 25 to 30 minutes. And there you have it. Smoky, rich, perfectly cooked Nigerian jollof rice. Serve it with grilled chicken, fried plantain, or just eat it straight from the pot. Don't tell anyone I said that. If you've never tried jollof before, now's the time. One bite and you'll understand why there's a whole war over this rice. Nigeria.